That's crazy as hell. Motherfucker that ran into somebody's shit over here. The motherfucking car.
All ass.
Knocked the damn pole and shit down. They got the dude. They got the dude right there. Standing down there with the police over there. Again, man, you can see shit a little kind of fucked up, but this shit. Shit crazy as hell. Go to truck. Crazy. I met from the car accident. This lady house here. I always get ran into the house across the street. If you see what I'm talking about, the house straight across. These houses always get ran into. So we're trying to make it to where they can at least make it a four-way stop sign. Huh?
Yeah, make sure you get the pole, bro. That man took the whole pole out.
We're trying to make sure that there was a stop sign right there behind where the police officer standing there. That's actually right over here in the road there, as you can see there. And we're just trying to make it to where they can at least put up like a four-way stop sign here at least, so it can save the houses. That corner house right there again. Once I said, like I said before, and actually this one, and this one here too as well, and that one there as well too. As you can see, they got inside those PVC boxes. PVC poles right there. It's actually concrete inside those PVC poles because the houses have been ran into numerous times. So we're just trying to make them put up a four-way stop sign here, and you know.
We need more than a stop sign, bro.
And
bitches come through here speeding all the time, bro. All the time, bro. I have my kids out here and everything, bro. Don't do that, bro. I have my kids out here, dog. My fucking babies, dog. In my yard, bro. I just put my motherfucking grandson down to sleep, bro. And if I close this man into my damn grandbaby, dog, not even fucking 20 feet, bro. Man, take out the whole corner, bro. Then he try to leave the scene. Come on, bro. That would have been a black man, bro. How much trouble would a black man, bro? They wouldn't even been playing with a nigga right now, bro. Nigga would have been gone.
Should we find a lawyer or something? He had a friend who practiced in South Carolina.
That shit is not fair, bro.
That's how we got them.
Hell no.
They call it on the news, they call it a vagrant, a homeless person.
It's the scenery right now. Scenery right now is
Filming it.
That's our only protection. That's our only protection.
and this is the scenery right now. All the trains have
I said, follow, baby. Follow, now let him get away.
I saw him running.
Yeah.
And I said, oh, he's going after somebody.
You see, when he in the way over there into the a neighbor, he said, I need to, he wanted to find me. He went way back that way. He said, I'm following them. They're not getting away with this.
Very good.
They're not getting away with this one.
That's good.
These people aren't even home. When they come home,
Yes,
they're
they're
going to be justice.
That house, once again, like I said.
And here's the thing. We have to clean up our own property.
Yes.
These people, they don't send them.
And I was just telling
I
them,
should go over there and say, thank you very much for destroying my fucking property, lady.
To get me and my survival. Access stuff, right? And I called parking right there 20 minutes before I even got home. I could have been
Not playing, bro.
Hey, bro.
Not by my little dog.
Hey, bro.
My little dog don't even play when he see me, bro.
Hey, bro. Look. When you was in the flaps running, did you have your toes like this, balls up to grab the grip the toe? Hey, look.
I was like, Reed back.
Hey, look. Did you cut the toes like this? Hey, look. Did you cut the toes like this here?
I had to get all the way to the end of the video.
Hey, come on.
Where you going?
Do it again, man.
I know that's right.
Like, hey, you know how
No
them
shirt on,
hey, you know how them,
took off.
hey, you know how them boys be skiing like this?
Yeah.
She was just finna run with him, huh?
Bro, she was with him.
She was with him.
She was with him. That's